Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to track link clicks in Google Analytics. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to analytics.google.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. After that guys, what you need to do is go and log into your profile. But if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Google Analytics. And if you have struggles with this, you can go always to our YouTube channel where you can go and check out this. But guys, now let's see what we actually have in front of us. In the top left corner, as you can see, we have the home screen, reports, explore, and the advertising. And we also have the admin in the bottom left corner. And in the top right corner, we have some more things about your profile. But guys, now let's see how you can actually go and track the link clicks in Google Analytics. It is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So basically what you need to do, you can use Google Analytic events to capture clicks on links that users take users to a website other than your own. So basically you can go and click the analytic events, capture, and there you can go and put people to other websites. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoy it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.